Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet backpack designs model. A crochet backpack design is a handmade backpack created using crochet techniques. Instead of sewing fabric, it combines style, creativity, and practicality and can range from simple everyday bags to decorative vintage-inspired pieces. How to make a crochet backpacks? First, yarn. Common yarn types: cotton for strong and structured. Use acrylic for soft and lightweight. T-shirt yarn, thick and sturdy. Jute or raffia for rustic farmhouse look. Next, crochet techniques. Basic spaces used: single crochet for tight and frame, half double crochet, double crochet or granny square motifs, or cable or textured stitches. Popular crochet backpack designs styles: vintage or cottage style, with floral, granny squares, soft pastel colors, lace details, wooden buttons, inspired by cozy handmade charm, like in Little Women. Boho style, springs details, art tones, mandala patterns, inspired by relaxed, artistic vibes seen at events like Coachella. Cute and curly style, use heart patterns, bow accents, soft pinks and creams, small mini backpack versions. Structure of a crochet backpack. A typical crochet backpack includes base, usually round or oval. Next, body, cylindrical or rectangular, flap or drawstring closure, adjustable shoulder straps, lining, optional but adds strength. Zipper or magnetic button. Why people love crochet backpacks? For handmade and unique, customizable colors and sizes. For eco-friendly option, matches vintage farmhouse and cottagecore fashion. Great DIY projects. Here are some tips for it. Make it strong and durable. Use tight stitches like single crochet, so the bag does not stretch too much. Add a fabric lining inside. Cotton works best to hold shape. Reinforce the bottom with a double layer or crochet with 2 strands of yarn. For heavy use, insert a thin plastic canvas at the base. Next, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn, best for structure and everyday use. Improve the straps. Straps are very important. Make them with tight stitches. Sew fabric inside the straps for strength. Make adjustable straps with buckles. Add useful feature: small inside pocket for phone or keys. Use drawstring closer plus flap for safety. Use magnetic button for easy closing. Zipper pocket at the back. Play with texture. Combine smooth stitches with bubble stitches. Try cable pattern for a cozy look. Mix plain body with a pattern flap. Keep it neat and professional. Lock your finished pieces to shape them nicely. Hide yarn ends carefully. Use matching thread when sewing part together. Choose the perfect shape. Different shapes create difficult vibes. Round base backpack for soft, cozy cottagecore look. Square or boxy shape for modern but still rustic. Mini backpack, cute and curly. Slossy style, relaxed boho feel. For a romantic countryside look inspired by stories like Little Women, round and soft shapes works beautifully. Mix the yarn textures instead of using only one type of yarn. Use cotton body plus jute flap. Use neutral body plus pastel flowers. Use chunky base plus lighter straps. Texture mixing makes your bag look designer made. Add handmade decorative touches. Small details make a big difference. Use crochet tiny roses. Add a small lace trim around the flap. Attach the wooden bead tassels. Sew on embroidered details. Add a crochet bow for a cramba style window swirl. Prevent stressing over time. Crochet bags can stress, so use a smaller hook size than recommended. Add lining. Even light cotton fabric helps. Avoid very heavy items. Use tight pieces at the bottom and the straps. Make it seasonal. You can design backpacks for different seasons. Spring, use soft pink, mint, cream, floral applique. For summer, use base raffia yarn, simple drawstring, and wooden beads. For autumn, use burnt orange, mustard, brown, chunky texture. For winter, deep red, forest green, and cable species. Make it look store quality. Stem block lightly for shape. Sew straight and neatly. Keep edged even. Use quality hardware, rings and buckles. Add a small handmade tag. Create a signature style. Since you love formas and goddess decor your coat, always use soft neutral colors. And on a small floral detail on every bag. Use wooden buttons as your signature. This makes your crochet work recognizable and special. Create a strong base foundation. The base decided how professional your backpack looks. Use crochet the base with 2 strands of yarn for extra strength. Use an oval base instead of round for better balance. Insert a removable base support, like plastic canvas or thick felt. Add a thin layer of foam between lining and crochet for structure. This makes your bag look neat and high quality instead of floppy. Layer your design. Instead of on flat design, try layers. Plain body plus textured flap. Simple stitches plus granny square pocket. Neutral base plus floral front panel. Make it comfortable to wear. Comfort is very important. You slightly widen the straps. Don't make them too thin. Add fabric padding inside straps. Make straps adjustable. Keep the bag lightweight. A beautiful bag should also feel comfortable on the shoulders. Play with closures. Try different closer styles for different looks. Drawstring plus flap for classic cottage style. Wooden button plus loop. Vintage charm. Magnetic snap. Modern and clean. Zipper top for extra secure. This closer changes the personality of the bag. Add smart organization inside. Small inside details make your bag more useful. Use driver pocket, key holder loop, small zipper pouch, hidden back pocket. This makes it practical for daily use. I think today's ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!